A great use for Google Gemini is to write articles and blogs. I'm just going to show you an example of how I can write entire articles and entire blogs, even about things that you don't know anything about. So let's dive right in. Here I'm in Google Gemini, and let's ask it to write an article about Komodo dragons. Incredible. You can see that Google Gemini wrote this entire article about Komodo dragons, and I know nothing about Komodo dragons. So I would never be able to write this article. It would take me tons of time to do research about this article. Google Gemini did this whole article in a matter of seconds. You can write an article about literally anything with Google Gemini. So this is just a specific example, but you have your own use cases. Let's dive into another example real quick. Here I want ChatGPT to write a blog. We're going to make it short, fun, make it for kids as our specific audience. We're going to add some jokes and some humor. Let's see what it does. Amazing. Let's check how it did. Hey there, reptile fans. Get ready to learn about one of the coolest and kinda weirdest lizards on the planet, the Komodo dragon. Komodo- Why does a Komodo dragon always stick its tongue out to taste the air for bad jokes? Why did the Komodo dragon cross the road? Nobody knows. Chickens won't talk, and the deer can't remember. So as you can see, Google Gemini is making this short, fun, and for kids, and they're adding jokes, which is really incredible. So these are very specific examples, but with Google Gemini, you can write a blog or article about virtually anything with any tone for any audience.